Hello Aquarians! Welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konami. For paid personal readings, check the description box below. And, tawag nito. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. Okay? So, choose 1, 2, or 3. And if you need more time, just pause the video. Okay? This is your 30-day forecast. It's up to you kung alin dito yung pipiliin yung tawag dito, magre-represent ng 30 days nyo. Okay, Aquarius. For the next 30 days, there will be unburdening of somebody's interferences. This may be a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius person na parang laging andyan, nangingialam, nakikisawsaw, di naman kasali. Maybe that's the reason why na hindi makapag-move forward, especially if you're involved in a couple or in a friendship or in a partnership na parang supposedly kayong dalawa lang nagde-decide ng partner mo. Pero laging may matong Queen of Wands reversed. Finally, for the next 30 days, pwedeng si partner mo magle-let go sa kanya if si Queen of Wands reversed ang close kay partner, or if this is someone closer to you, pwedeng ikaw yung mapuno. Tapos bala ka dyan. Parang ganun. Now, what do you need to focus on is yung consequences ng possible na pag-let go mo kay Queen of Wands. Kasi magre-retaliate to. Ayaw mo makinig sa akin. Ayaw mo kong sundin. Pues, ganito gagawin ko. Ganun siya. So, parang ngayon pa lang kalkulahin mo na pagka inalis ko sa picture to, anong possible niyang gawin sa akin or sa partner ko. And what are you going to do about it? How are you going to prevent it? How are you going to deal with it? And well, knowing Queen of Wands in reverse, ang retaliation nito very predictable. Nothing new about this. So parang alam mo na kung anong next yung gagawin. So prepare ka na lang. And if you're going to do that, yun. You may be called to do something out of the blue. Or parang very unusual for you to do. Let's say for example, hindi ka naman talaga lumalaban kay Queen of Wands. Hindi mo naman talaga sinasagot-sagot si Queen of Wands reversed. Pero maybe out because of this, pag nag-retaliate siya, baka magulat siya when you fight back. Pero kung pwede rin baliktad, like maybe lagi kang tumatahimik, lagi kang sumasagot-sagot sa kanya, lagi mo siyang nilalabanan, then all of a sudden baka push ka to actually be quiet about your next move. Tapos next thing you know, may mangyayari sa kanya na, or may yung retaliation mo hindi niya matutunugan kasi masyado kang tahimik. Pwedeng ganun. Okay, but anyway, the main idea is to actually let go of this person and make this person know their proper place. Okay? That's for you, Aquarius. Let's proceed kay number 2. For the next 30 days, someone is going to, parang tatlo to na yung isa, magpapa as if na everything's under control, you don't need to worry about me, I'm okay. Yung mga pinagkatiwala mo sa akin, yung mga sinabi mo sa akin, sinusunod ko yun kahit hindi naman. Knight of Pentacles reverse, this is someone na possible na may ginagastos na hindi niya pera. Pwedeng pera mo, pwedeng pera ng iba. Pwedeng may ginagamit na gamit mo or gamit ng iba nang hindi nagpapaalam. Tapos hindi niya na maitatago yun. And King of Cups in reverse, I'm sensing parang siya yung bubuking kay Knight of Pentacles. So, in general, parang itong tatlong to magiging sakit ng ulo mo for the next 30 days. I'm also seeing the Pisces pendant. So maybe this is a Pisces who's going to tell you about what Virgo, Capricorn, or Taurus is doing behind your back. And then si Aries magpapa-as if na I'm okay, I'm good, wala kang dapat ipag-alala sa akin, pero siya pala yung pinaka malaki ang problema. Now what do you need to do about this? Ask for evidence sa mga bagay-bagay na sinasabi sa'yo ni King of Cups. at saka ni Knight of Pentacles reversed. Parang ito, susumbong niya si Knight of Pentacles reversed, asan ebidensya. Tapos ito, si Knight of Pentacles, sasabihin, nagsisinungaling si King of Cups, asan ng ebidensya. And, ano pa? The Chariot reverse is an indication na parang you really need to be careful towards Emperor reversed. Kasi parang very touchy yung situation niya. For some reason, I'm sensing na meron siyang possibility na ipahamak yung sarili niya intentionally. So be careful with what you say or what you do towards Emperor reversed. And if you're going to do that, yun, sakit ng ulo. 5 of Swords. Pero this is something na you have to make sure na hindi na mangyayari by allowing other people to deal with it. Dapat ikaw mismo mag-handle. Especially if mga anak mo to. Okay? So there. That's for you, number 2. Let's proceed kay number 3. If you have chosen number 3, okay. For the next 30 days will be uncomfortable for you. Someone's real emotions towards you or the situation you're in. Parang paprangkahin ka na niya. At saka yung mga ipaprangka sa'yo, pwedeng si Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, not necessarily. But this is someone na antahimik niya for a very long time. Then all of a sudden, bigla siyang mag-explode. Alam mo ang mali sa'yo. Alam mo ito nakita ko. Alam mo ito yung na-witness ko. Blah, 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 blah. Tapos yung mga sasabihin niya sa'yo, malinaw, tama, pero masakit. And it will be something na you need to make sure you're not going through again. Or if anak mo to si Page of Cups, you have to make sure na hindi niya mararanasan ulit like ever. Now, what do you need to focus on? Yung mga possible na may tinatago sa'yo, yung nakikita mong toxic sa situation mo or ninyo ni Page of Cups, make sure na, tawag dito, ina-address mo yon. May pagka-avoidant ka pa naman, Aquarius. Especially if this is something na parang ginagamit against you. Let's say for example, this is their stepmother or their stepparent. Tapos, alam mo naman na may pagka-toxic si stepparent. Pero, yun nga, kasi kailangan mo siya parang okay na lang. Hindi naman nagre-reklamo sa Page of Cups. Kaso ngayon, magre-reklamo na. Anong gagawin mo niyan? So, ito minsan lang to umimik, pero pag ito umimik na, yan, matakot ka na kasi maraming katotohanan yan pag upright especially regarding how they feel about the situation. Kung masasaktan ka sa i-reveal niya sa'yo, huwag siyang pagbuntunan mo. Pagbuntunan mo sarili mo bakit inalaw mo siya sa ganyang situation. Okay? And outcome, ayan, mababalanse mo. If you're going to do as advice, see a toxic person or a situation as it is and deal with it accordingly, mas mababalanse mo kung anong gagawin mo next. And malelet go mo yung dapat i-let go. Pero yun nga, you really have to be comfortable to let go of that situation, of that person, for the sake of your child, if this is your child, or for the sake of the good person to make things better. Okay? So there. That's for you, Aquarius. For paid personal readings, just send me a private message. Bye!